She seemed dressed in all of me, stretched across my shame. All the torment and the pain leaked through and covered me. I'd do anything to have her to myself, just to have her for myself. Now I don't know what to do, I don't know what to do when she makes me sad. I catch in my throat, choke, torn into pieces. I won't, no, I don't wanna be this, but I won't let this build up inside.
You knew where you were, Damon. She didn't leave.
I hated you, I still do. Not because you forced me to turn. Because she turned you. She's supposed to be me, Steph. Just me.